There's a lot to remember when using the terminal. You can't just click around and explore menus like you can with a graphical program. This doesn't mean that you need to remember every command and every option, though. Looking things up is a regular part of the terminal user's workflow. In fact, it's normal to forget the details of commands you don't use frequently. CalSay is an example of a program with a bunch of options. By default, CalSay draws a cow, but you can customize it too. For example, by using the -e argument, we can replace its eyes with carrots. We can also draw a penguin instead of a cow. So, how do we keep up with all these options? Fortunately, all Common Shell programs come with a manual, and there's a command that makes it easy to read them: man. Manual entries are called man pages, and this is CalSay's man page. Man pages follow a common format. The first section includes the command's name and a brief description of the command. The next section is the synopsis. The synopsis explains how to use the command's flags and arguments. Options surrounded by square brackets are optional. In this case, all of CalSay's options are optional. Some options require additional information. For example, if you use the -e flag, you also need to supply an istring. The description describes all of the options in detail. Man pages vary in how they present this information. Some man pages alphabetize their option, while CalSay's man page is a bit less organized. You can use the arrow keys to scroll up and down the man page. The later sections of the man page include more detailed information about the command. Man pages are typically arranged so that the most important details are near the top. When you're done referencing the manual, you can press Q to exit.